We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Scaling your business is an exciting but a challenging journey. It requires not just vision, but also the ability to execute on a larger scale. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal to make that happen? Virtual assistants or VAs. Now you might be thinking, how exactly can a virtual assistant help me scale? Well, let's break it down. First off, think of a VA as your productivity partner. They can take on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on strategic growth. This means you can delegate administrative duties, customer service, data entry, and more, all while saving you time and money. And the best part, you only pay for the hours you need, not a full-time salary. Let's start with delegating routine tasks. These are small but necessary things that pile up quickly. Managing emails, scheduling meetings, organizing files, or handling social media posts. By handing this over to a VA, you free yourself from micromanaging your day-to-day operations, which gives you more time to work on what really moves the needle, like expanding your product line or developing marketing strategies. Next, VAs are incredibly helpful with customer support. Whether it's answering inquiries, following up with clients, or managing your live chat services, having someone handle this task ensures your customers always feel valued, even as your business grows. A great customer experience is one of the easiest ways to maintain your reputation while scaling up. But that's not all. Let's talk about scaling your marketing efforts. Virtual assistants can help with content creation, writing blog posts, managing your social media accounts, and even editing videos. Imagine trying to produce a daily content for your business without a team supporting you. It's impossible to do it yourself, right? But with a VA, you can consistently put out high-quality content that reaches a wider audience. They can also help run ads, track analytics, and monitor your online reputation. Then, there's the automation aspect. You can use VAs to help set up and manage your automation tools for your email marketing, CRM systems, and more. Automation helps you manage customer relationship without the constant back and forth, allowing you to scale quickly without getting bogged down by manual tasks. Finally, as your business grows, you'll need to hire and manage more people. VA can also assist with the recruitment process by screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and handling initial communication. This allows you to bring in new talent quickly while maintaining your focus on scaling. So whether you're looking to save time on administrative tasks, improve customer service, expand your marketing, or automate key processes, a virtual assistant can be the extra hand you need. The beauty of using VAs is their flexibility, allowing you to scale operations without having to significantly increase overhead. By outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants, you're not just freeing up your time, you're creating space for your business to grow. You can now focus on high-level decisions, drive innovation, and ultimately push your business to the next level. In summary, virtual assistants are more than just a cost-saving tool. They're a game changer in your business scaling strategy. With the right VAs on your team, you can focus on the big picture while they handle the rest.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.